All right, check it out. This is our Samsung dishwasher. We've been having issues with the bottom rack coming off and getting loose. We just realized that we're missing 3 wheels. You see the one wheel right here? Well, there's 1, 2, 3 wheels missing, because if I look on this side, there's 4. So if you've got a similar issue, just look at the Samsung model number that you've got listed here on the door and type in wheel replacement bottom rack on Amazon, and you should find them. I think these cost me about $6 to get 4. So let me get the package out and we'll put those on and see if it works. It's got a little bracket on the back of it. So I'm just gonna lift this up, put the wheel right onto that little piece sticking out there, and then snap it onto the rack. Just like that. Perfect. Oh yeah. Let me get these other 2 on and we'll come back to you. I just got the 4th wheel put on so you can see they're all on there. So let me see, this should line right up. Oh man, much better. And if you're wondering about the upper shelves, I have a video on how to replace these things. These adjust the shelf up and down. So if you need to know how to replace those, I have a video for that as well. Check it out. Hey, if that was helpful at all, just give me a thumbs up, that's it.